All right, so we are looking at week 4. So today's the 10th. We got distance, midpoint, partitions. So we've got videos and some stuff here. And then we've got the assignment here. Preview that. Oh, by the way, this is important. I added something on the top here. There's this page labeled formulas. This is something that you all should look at. Um, these are all the formulas for the first semester. So I taught summer school a few years ago, and I wrote all these formulas on the board because I had to go through the whole content of geometry in 3 weeks. So everything is here. Um, so what we've done so far, we've done this, we've done this, we've done this. Today we're doing these 2 boxes. We've also done this, and I think that's it. Oh, and this also. But that's how far along we are in the first semester. So let's go into some examples. So what I've done here is I've taken a little snip of the formulas from that formula board, and then I'm gonna do the 3 types of problems you'll have today. Today's assignment is all formulas, so you just either write it out, type in the calculator, or well, really that's all you do. Just write out the formula and type in the calculator. That'll do it. So here we go. Let's label this first. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Here's the distance formula in green here. This step here is what I want you to do as your first step. So leave it blank like that. I'm gonna leave it there so you have that as a reference. So your second step for distance formula is just gonna be to do this. Because then you just fill it in. So X2 is 9, Y2 is -6. Then the red ones you have Y1 is 4, and then Y2 is -6. Wait, no, what goes here? X1 is 1. Okay, that's distance formula. That's like the main place you can mess up is putting those in the wrong place. So don't put them in the wrong place. Use colors if it helps. Let me just make sure. So X2 was 9, yeah. X1 was 1, and then -6 minus 4. Cool. So 9 minus 1 is 8. So it's 8 squared. -6 minus 4 is -10 squared. If you're doing it in the calculator, you must have these parentheses around the -10. Otherwise, they'll do it wrong. So it's 8, that's 64 plus 100. Ooh. So the distance is square root of 164, which is on Canvas, you have this calculator here. So to find that, you do this, square root of 164, 12.8. So that's approximately 12.8. That's the distance formula. Let's take these same points and let's do the midpoint formula with them next. So your first step, I'm gonna leave it like that. So here's my first step. x1 is 1, y1 is 4. That's a 4. And then x2 is 9, y2 is -6. So I'm just using the same numbers from up here. All right, 1 plus 9 is 10. 4 and -6 is -2. So 10 over 2 is 5. -2 over 2 is -1. That's the answer to this one. So that is the midpoint formula, which is right there in black. The last one is midpoint with partitions. So that's where it gets a little bit longer. So let's do this. Let's switch this to, yeah, I'll make this green. So this is B and this is A. All right, here we go. Y'all, please watch this. A lot of steps are about to happen. So let's start with the green ones. A is 3. 3, 3, 3. B is, let me add this plus sign. Plus, 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 plus. B is 2. So 2, 2, 2, 2. X1 is 1. So X1. Y1 is 4. X2, these blue ones, so X2 is 9. Y2 is -6. Lose anybody? It's just matching, so I'm using the stuff from over here. All right, let's keep going then. All right, so 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 9 is 18. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 times 4 is 12. 2 times -6 is -12 divided by 5. So 18, 19, 21 over 5, and then 0 over 5. So 21 over 5 does not reduce, and then 0 over 5 is just 0. So there's your answer. That is midpoint with partitions. So those are the 3 formulas you're using today.